Hi all, welcome back to my channel Manasa Book. Today I am going to unboxing JBL LINK 20 portable wireless speaker. JBL LINK 20 is an excellent speaker based on sound quality alone, but with built-in Google Assistant feature make it even more of an excellent value. Let's get into the details. The speaker built-in battery, it offers 10 hours of playtime. JBL LINK 20 has built-in Google Assistant, so when it's on Wi-Fi, you will be able to control your home, ask questions, and perform more productive daily routine stuff. Coming to look and feel, the device is available in black and white. I got my husband's favorite black color. Also, it comes with a small JBL logo on the front.
Sure, check out this Bollywood music station on YouTube Music.
Coming to the functionality, on the top of the speaker, we will find volume and playback controls as well as a button for Google Assistant without having to say, "Hey Google." On the back, we have a power button with a battery indicator and also a microphone mute button below. Big advantage is JBL LINK 20 is that it's water resistant. Looking into high-level specs, it weighs around 2 pounds with 6000 milliamps battery, plays for 10 hours approximately, and it has built-in Google Assistant, Bluetooth 4.2 and Wi-Fi support, also built-in Chromecast. Lastly, my experience with it makes my favorite wireless speaker based on below 3 points: water resistant, sound quality, Google Assistant built-in. Thank you all for watching my video.